Alright, here we are again. I was just talking about that Cadillac, and I said I don't know what it would cost. Well, this Taurus here, sorry to say it again, is rough too. Rough shape, and the sign says 149,000 miles, and they want 2,500 for this great car. I think that's too much, especially if you look at that hood. Look at that. That's just crazy. That's just crazy there. No, I'd definitely pass on this one. I mean, even the tires are like Mastercraft. They're not really that good, and no, I would pass on this one too. Those Tauruses are pretty good cars, and if you have one that has low miles and is in a good shape, I would definitely recommend it for someone who wants to buy one. Speaking of that, there's another one next to it, and it's about the same. It's about the same shape. Okay, I'll look around. If I see something else that's interesting, I'll let you know.